The Food Service Exchange presents.
For 30 years, we've challenged what's possible in an outdoor grill and exceeded expectations along the way. Introducing the Infinite Series. Build your dream outdoor kitchen with Crown Verity. Innovative design. Inspiring performance. Infinite possibilities. Rooftop patios, cottage lifestyles, and resort-style living. Any space, any lifestyle and environment. Modular options are available in a 24, 36, and 42-inch grill. The Infinite Series allows you to start small and then easily add side burners, sinks, drawers, storage, and so much more in a variety of configurations. The modular options are easy to move and install, making this truly versatile. Built-in models are available in 30, 36, 42, and 48-inch grill sizes. Side burners, ice chests, and storage can also be added to complete your built-in kitchen. Working with our in-house experts, you'll create an outdoor kitchen that fits your space and lifestyle. Crown Verity professional-grade knobs can be upgraded to heat indicator LED lights, which add to the striking design. And no heavy lifting with the Crown Verity Lift Assist. Crafted using all 304 stainless steel and made in North America with one of the best warranties in the business. Bring home what high-end restaurants and resorts around the world have been turning to for years. This is the Crown Verity Infinite Series. Flexible design, professional performance, infinite possibilities for a truly elevated outdoor kitchen experience.